What do you think about the big news websites where the guest posts have a dedicated URL slug category where all guest posts are posted? I saw a big brand having success by doing it regularly, but this was in a non-English country, and as you said, you can be more spammy considering Google is fine-tuned for English. So, if I'm getting guest posts, I don't want them to be in some kind of category like that. I don't want anything indicating that the thing that I got, the link that I got, has been paid for. I want it to look like it's an actual endorsement from that website for my brand, my company, my website, my article, whatever. So I don't want anything like that. Not to say that these things still can't help your SEO. I would just stay away from it as much as possible. You might see some things like that around. I wouldn't try to like formulate a link building strategy off of that. If it's like your own website, then yeah, you could do something like that, like you're selling guest posts or whatever. But yeah, it's something I kind of would stay away from. Not because I think it's like super dangerous or whatever. I just think it kind of lessens the value and yeah, basically gives the game away to Google a little bit. Kind of be like the same as having like a sponsored post tag or whatever, something like that. What do you think, Nick?
Yeah, I agree. I mean, ultimately it's like if you're diversifying your backlink portfolio and you know what you're doing, sure. If you're looking for extra backlinks, you can get this thing cheap, then go ahead and do it. But if you're not and you're looking for efficiency, let's say, and this is something you're considering, just stay away from it because yeah, ultimately you're putting your website in this risk area where everybody's paying for a backlink, and ultimately we know that is not kosher with Google. So yeah, best to not play.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.